Today I'm going to show you two ways to factory reset your Logitech G Cloud gaming device. And the first way is a software reset, and the other way is a hardware reset if you are locked out of your device or you can't get into the Android OS at all. So the first way is through the Android's OS, and to do that we're going to go to Settings at the top menu, scroll down to More Settings, Android Settings, scroll down to System, and from here go to Advanced and Reset Options. Select Erase All Data / Factory Reset and confirm by pressing the Erase All Data button. Now this is great if you're selling the device or just need to remove your user profile. If you are having more trouble with this device, say you've forgotten your username, your PIN, and or the device isn't booting up, you can do a hard reset. We're going to first make sure the power is off to the device. And once the power is off, we're going to wait 10 seconds to just make sure it is completely off. We're going to grab a powered USB-C cord and make sure there is power going to it. We're going to press and hold the volume down button and then insert in that USB-C cord. Keep the volume down button held in, and you'll notice it allows us to go to this recovery screen, recovery mode here. And we can toggle through that menu via the volume up and down buttons. And once we have recovery mode selected, we toggle the power button once to enter. And you'll notice the screen says no command. We simply hold the power button down and press the volume button once. So I'm going to use two hands here. Press and hold power button down and toggle volume up once. And you'll notice this brings up a new menu. Use the volume down button to select wipe data / factory reset. Use the power button to select again. And we can do factory data reset right here. And it completely just wiped it. Use the volume button again to power it off, or just reboot the system. And now your device is set up brand new, just how it came from the factory. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.